Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to use your phone as gamepad for your PC, and trust me, the process is quite simple. By the end of this video you should be able to play all of your PC games. This works for literally any emulator you can actually think of, and you can literally play any game like your Steam games, games from BlueStack, and so on and so forth, using your phone as a gamepad for your laptop or PC. Now first things first, you want to come over to your phone, head over to the App Store. In my case, I'll be opening up the Google Play Store over here, and then from the search bar at the bottom you want to come over to this search input field at the top, then search for the Montech PC remote. So go ahead and search for Montech PC remote. This is basically my search, and you can literally see the result over here. The name of the application is PC remote, so you just want to go ahead and select it, and then make sure you download and install this application into your phone. Now while the Montech PC remote is being downloaded on your phone, you want to come over to your laptop or PC. Now head over to any browser of your choice. In my case, I'll be using the Microsoft Edge browser over here, and once your browser opens up, you just want to go ahead and do the same thing. So come over to the top of your browser and search for the Montech PC remote. Go ahead and search for that on Google, and then from over here you should be able to find the official Montech website, which is usually at the top. So go ahead and select that. Now from the official website, you just want to scroll all the way down, and you're going to find the download button over here. Select the download button, and now click on the download link 1, and automatically the Montech PC remote will start downloading into your PC. Now as soon as you have the application downloaded and installed into your laptop or PC, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here, or just go over to your file manager and then to downloads, and you should be able to find the Montech PC remote control we just downloaded and installed. Now once you have it, you can just double tap it to open it up and then set it up without any problem. Just follow all of the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. So if you're actually you want this app to make changes to your PC, just go ahead and click on yes. Go ahead and select your language as well. Then just click on continue, agree with all of the terms and conditions, and then just click on install, and you're good to go. Now as soon as you're done downloading, installing, and setting up the Montech PC remote control, this is basically the receiver application. You should be able to find it on the home page of your PC or your laptop, and then on your phone. Also now you should also make sure that it is already downloaded and installed. Mine, as you can see, is already installed as well. And at this point, you just want to go ahead and open up the application on your PC. And basically, this is how the home page of the application looks like. At this point, you want to also make sure that both your mobile phone and your PC are actually connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. If you want a Wi-Fi connection process, or if you actually want Bluetooth, make sure that the Bluetooth of both your PC and your phone are also turned on. In this case, I'll be using the Wi-Fi connection. You want to come over to your mobile phone, proceed to open up the application from over there. And this is basically how the home page looks like. At this point, you just want to click on the connect button at the bottom of your phone, just like so. And basically, we have 3 connection process. As you can see, this is the name of my PC. As long as both devices are on the same Wi-Fi, you should be able to find the name of your PC as well. So tap on the name of your PC and allow both devices to automatically connect. Now, once it connects, that is basically all you have to do. And before I proceed to show you the gamepad feature, here are some of the things you need to know about this application. First, you have the touchpad option, which allows you to be able to use your phone as a touchpad or a mouse for your PC. And basically, this is the page that is going to contain all of the games you should be able to get from the game console option on the PC application of the Montech gamepad remote app. From here, you should be able to install any game console you want into this application, like your PS5, your PS3, whichever game console you want. You can actually download them, and this particular application is going to emulate them. Finally, from the application as well, you should also get the layout option, so you can choose whatever layout you want. You can also download layouts if you want. So here you can literally see that I have gamepad layouts for games like the Cyberpunk, Assassin's Creed. You can actually just download their layout while playing them on your laptop or your PC. So like I said, this works out for literally any game you can think of. Okay, so finally, in order to test everything out, currently I have a Roblox game playing on my PC, and in order to use my phone as a gamepad or as a controller, I'll just go over to the layout option and then choose any game layout I want. So there are tons of games layout you can actually choose from over here, but for this one, I'm just going to use the Xbox 360 controller game layout over here. Go ahead and select that, click on the open button, and now you have this nice looking gamepad that you can now use to play Roblox on your PC without any problem. As you can see, this works absolutely well, and you can actually just choose any layout of your choice depending on the specific game you are playing. So this is just for a simple game like the Roblox games. If you actually want something more sophisticated, you can actually just come out of this option over here, go ahead and choose any other layout you want. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.